What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kierra. So in today's video, y'all gonna see me transform into Megan Thee Stallion. This is the yellow inspired look from the WAP video, and also this is a collaboration with Dr. Siri. Go check her out. I'm gonna leave the link below, and she's doing the Cardi B version. So if you guys want to see, keep watching. Okay, so I've already done my brows and my skincare offline, as I always do. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my CoverGirl primer. This stuff gets me mattified, super matte face. It looked like she didn't have a dewy face, so that's what I'm gonna go in with. It's just this.
Katsu, get out the way! Dog's in the way.
I'm gonna go in with my Milani Gilded Gold palette, and I'm gonna take maybe this color into the crease. Y'all ignore my hair. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to be like Megan, and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go all up in my crease area and then just blend that out. And we're gonna blend it upward because it seems like she has like a nice cute cat eye. I mean, she has almond eyes and I have
whatever eyes I have.
I don't know what kind of shape I have, guys. If you guys know, leave it down below because I don't know. Now that looks better. Okay. Okay. We are trying. We are trying. Y'all know what people say. It never looks right at the beginning, but just wait a second. Just wait. Okay, so we're gonna go with the Milani Bold Obsession palette, and we're gonna take this brown right here. So we're gonna take that, and we're gonna just because I can't do it with on the camera. Just go ahead and go in the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Okay. I think I'm gonna take this black color and just darken up the crease. I want it a little bit darker. I'm not sure if she mixed black with it, but I'm just gonna mix a little bit black because I want it a little bit darker. I want that color to be dark. But yeah, a lot of people are having issues about Kylie being up and in there. I have no beefs. I mean, if she wants to be in there and they invited her, so I don't know why everybody is like tripping about it, but hey, she was in that thing, and to be honest with you, I mean, she looked good. After that, let me go back in with my gilded, ooh snap, that's not cool. I'm just making a mess here. Let's put this up here. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that Gilded Gold palette and take that red color and then just go underneath the bottom lid. Now I'm gonna go in with that brown from my Bold Obsessions palette once again and do the same, but I'm gonna do it on the outer corners. Okay, so now I'm going to align the bottom lash line. Okay, so after that, I'm going to add the gold, and I'm going to still stick with the Milani Gilded Gold palette, and I'm probably going to go in with maybe this gold. Yeah, we're going to go in with that gold. I'm going to take just a little bit of primer just to help it stick. I don't know if she used glitter or it's just shimmer. I think it's just a gold shimmer she used. I'm about to look it up. Yep, it's gold shimmer. Okay. I'm just gonna pat that on my lid.
This looks good.
I'm gonna take my Jackie Aina, woo! Artist Couture and Jackie Aina highlighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face. Let me go ahead and, I've already primed my face. I don't think I did. Did I? I feel like I did. Yeah, I did prime my face. I did. So I'm gonna go in with my, what is this? My Maybelline SuperStay foundation, and this is in the color Coconut. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Age Instant Rewind Concealer and conceal underneath my eyes. And it does look like she had full coverage foundation, so
that's the look we're going for this one.
you're just gonna blend that out. So I want more concealer underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Fawn. I'm just gonna add that. I'm trying to get rid of not them dark circles, but I'm trying to get rid of those lines, the bags. So I'm gonna add concealer to the bottom right here, and just blend.
I think I added too much.
Okay, we're just gonna blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my powder and set that. I'm going to contour. I'm sorry that this lights keep changing on y'all. I'm gonna contour my nose. And I'm gonna use that, what is this? The Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm going to add my powder, my Maybelline FitMe, all over my face. I'm gonna add my setting spray, and this is the Milani. Okay, now I'm going to add the eyeliner, and I'll be back for that because I'm never good. Like, I'm not good at adding eyeliner so on the camera. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. So I've already added my eyeliner, as you can see. I'm gonna add my lashes. So I noticed that she has like little, what do you call them, little jewels or little bling blings. So I'm gonna add that to my eye as well. So after that, I'm gonna do the lips, and she has like this ombre red pinky lip going on, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. I don't have a red lip liner, so I'm just gonna use what is this? Milani, of course. Milani's, what is this? The striking color, red striking color, red color named Striking. Yeah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go in also just to darken that. I'm gonna go in with my, this is this ColourPop, the ColourPop Blippi pencil, and I think it's BFF4. Yeah, BFF4. All right, and now she has this this pinky color right in the middle. It's like super pink. I have this super shocking pink color. It's the Maybelline SuperStay and the color Romantic. Okay, I think a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna have to blend this. I'm gonna go in with my, what is this? My Milani lip gloss, and it's in the color Sparkling Pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and, you know, get the extra vibes, you know. I wanna feel like Megan, you know. I wanna feel like her. So let me go back and do my nails and do my hair, and I'll be right back, okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this Megan Thee Stallion WAP inspired makeup look, go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could